Hey guys, you're here with Doug, aka TheReallink, and today we're going to show you quickly how to replace the toner and the drum rollers in the Canon Multi-Function Laser Printer model MFP644cdw, 642cdw, 644cdw, or LPB622cdw. Have you already shaken your starter or existing toner trying to get that last bit of life out of it, but now you simply can't print? Swapping it really couldn't be easier. So here's how it goes. Keep in mind, this video does not focus on aftermarket ink refilling or non-genuine parts, so for that, please look elsewhere. The touchscreen will let you continue printing with possible degradation on toner, but after a while it simply needs replacing, and that will be indicated on the panel or by your ink monitor menu. So to swap things, here are the steps. Number 1, power off your printer. Next, open the outer door to the toner tray and pull the tray all the way forward using the blue lever. Number 2, ideally pick up a full replacement set of toners and drums, so at least if you're moving from the starter set, you have all levels at full, regardless of your color or black and white printing styles. Many programs and print preferences create black by merging all colors through subtraction, or sometimes offer a true black only mode, and so what ink is used can vary substantially. Number 3. Here we see Canon's instructions for toner replacement. Basically, lift out the old toner assembly, tear the perforated seal on the new toner, it also indicates the up direction, and drop in the new toner assembly. Be sure to shake your toner a few times before installation and to replace it in the proper color section in the toner tray. Repeat this process for all color toner packages. Number 4. Your laser printer will run for about a minute on the next power up, and calibrating toner will appear on the screen dialog notification while the machine is heating and aligning. Number 5. Now you can take your empty toners back to your local office supply store for recycling, credit, or disposal, or mail them back to Canon with information provided on the included instruction card. And that's it, you should be good to go. If your machine happens to reset its network or drivers during this time, simply reinstall them using Canon's driver package. If you're stuck on the waiting for USB connection prompt, try physically disconnecting your Ethernet and LAN cable from the printer or your computer and communicating through USB or wireless only. For whatever reason, I had to do this on my printer, but once it reset itself, all was fine. I hope you found this video helpful, informative, and insightful. Should you wish to support my channel, please consider purchasing replacement toner, the printer, or other tech things using my Amazon affiliate links shared in the description or throughout my channel's videos. As always, like, comment, and subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.